Hello, I'm Cindy Pacheco, a pre-sale software specialist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a contract template in the AI-powered contract management anywhere. So you want to scroll down on this left-hand navigation bar until you get to the setup section, and then it'll have a contract template option that you could select. So you'd select that, and it brings you to this page here. Then on this blue grid, you just want to click it and press Add. And it'll bring you to this setup here. So the first thing you want to do is choose a Word document file, and this is going to be your contract template. So let me show you really quickly. I have this Word document that I made for this demo. So it's just a marketing services agreement. And as you can see here, we have these different tags that we put into our Word document contracts. To get more specific, if you go to this How It Works section here on this page, it'll be more specific about what these different tags are. So these are predefined tags that the system has. And as you can see, this is how you have to format them. So you put a $sign and then you'll put the name of the tag in these curly brackets. And this is what it would look like in a document. So as you can see, they have the supplier name tag here. And think of it as a variable where you would store the supplier name when you're creating a contract from this contract template. So that's what those tags are for. So I'm just going to go back to the details page. You would just put the name of the contract. Then you choose your file. And make sure it's a Word document. Down here, you can add the different template sections. So your contract is going to be split into different sections, and you would describe all of the different sections in your contract down here. So you would first put the name and description of the section. Just for demonstration's sake, I'm going to choose this section, the scope of marketing services, which just has one tag that I would have to include here. So let me put the tag name over here. And I would also put the name of the section. So let me copy paste that from my document. So you have the name, the tag name, and then for the description, I'll put, and this data type would be a table data type. So for the table data type, you would also get this pop-up for data type value options. And you can add an unlimited number of options, just how you can add an unlimited number of components and sections. Let me go back into our document to see the different table values. So our table values are going to be campaign name, channel, description, budget, start date, and end date. So let me put that in here. And once you're done setting up your sections, you can go to this template preview tab. So here it'll show you the basic details that come with all of the different contract templates. And then if you scroll down, it shows you the different sections that you set up. So I have the scope of marketing services section, the description of the section. I have the component that I set for that section. So the service table component, the description, and then these are the different values under that component. If everything looks good, you can then go down and press save. And your data has been added successfully, and now you have this contract template that people can create contracts from. And that's everything I wanted to show you for this function. I hope this was helpful, and have a great day.